It's so pretty.
Hello from Bali. So we're in Bali
At the VeluVana Bamboo Tree House.
So we've ordered our grab and it's going to take 1 hour and 45 minutes to get to this bamboo tree house that Celine's booked. So we've got half an hour to go, but we're coming into the proper Balinese countryside now. Look at this. So we arrived at VeluVana Bali. Look at this. This is proper nice, isn't it? This is really nice.
Like there's the volcano. You see it peeking out behind the clouds?
Yep, you can just about see Mount Agung. What a view. Right, are you ready for this? This is a feast for the eyes. Look at this. Our own little pool, and then the paddy fields. Look at that. This is like the living area. Got the nice kitchen bits. Let's have a look upstairs. Look how good this looks up here. That view, and if you're brave enough you can go onto that net thing there, and there's a nice little balcony out here that you can sit down on. That is a good view. But let's find out what the verdict is of this bamboo tree house, which was bloody expensive.
It was expensive.
Really expensive.
I'd say it's a wee bit expensive.
Yeah.
A wee bit expensive. For a few reasons. One, they didn't have what was on the menu that we wanted for breakfast.
Yeah, they have avocado mentioned quite a lot, but there's no avocado.
Because it's out of season.
It's out of season right now.
But
anyway,
maybe change the menu.
But they do try the best to cater for
They do,
things.
yeah, they're very good. What I do like about it is you just have a WhatsApp number and you just message them for whatever you need, and they bring your food here.
Yeah.
That's all really good. There's a wee coffee shop around the corner that actually does nice coffee. That's good. The toilet and the shower are outdoors, which isn't unusual for Bali. However, there are rice fields right in front of us, and the rice is currently being harvested. So we've had people working in the rice fields. So we've had to make sure that we
close the
have
curtain.
not been indecently exposed all day today while using the bathroom and the shower.
The insect situation isn't that bad. There's a few
Fine.
geckos crawling about, but that's, you get them anyway, don't you?
Yeah.
What do you think of like the decor and how it's been just decorated?
I really like it.
It's been really
good.
well done, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Like from like the staircase to like the lampshade, and even the thing around the bed, it looks like really tropical,
Yeah.
tropically authentic.
The pool's really nice.
The pool is really nice, just being in that.
This hammock situation.
Yeah, the hammock's really nice. The view is worth a lot of money,
Yeah.
I think, because there's nothing there apart from paddy fields. Just wish we could have seen Merapi. So overall,
Do you mean Agung?
is it? I know my volcanoes. So is it a hit?
I would say it's a hit.
Yeah. Right. Let's go and explore the surrounding area around our gorgeous little bamboo tree house. We're in the middle of literally nowhere. There's the coffee place. So this place is called 9 AM Coffee, and they serve food. And hello, I'm going to go up the stairs. Hello. And sit up on the roof terrace. So even though it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Celine is on the bintang. I can only handle Sprite at this time of day.
Bintang was your idea.
I'm going to make some shandies. You do the honours. Oh, you're very autistic.
I was just getting it ready.
Cheers. So there's not much around here apart from paddy fields growing the rice. Celine was just saying that we're glad we've got food in the hotel because I don't think there've been many options. Look at the cloud up there. So here's a map of Bali. So the airport's down here and most people go along this bit, Seminyak, maybe Sanon, Nusa Dua, but we went all the way past the capital, all the way up here, and we're about there where Sideman is. And look, Mount Agung, which you can see in the distance if the weather was okay. It's just gorgeous around here, but if you come expecting things around this villa, then there's not going to be much. So stock up on your supplies, but there was a shop down there which we've managed to get some stuff in. Right, I'm going to go into the rice terrace. Look at this. There's where we're staying. Proper into the rice terrace. Look at this, you see where they've all been cut, and there's actually some people over there doing the rice collecting. So they cut it. We saw them this morning going along here cutting it, and then they whack it to get the rice out. There's Celine. My name's Celine. Yeah. So that's the real Celine now. You can see my wig drying over there. But one thing's for sure, I'll be wearing that wig later. That's my new thing. Look, Celine's made like a little comfortable bed. Hammock bed. Oh my god. Oh god. Jesus. Oh, survived. So to finish our evening in the villa, got some cocktails, and Celine's gone for a
Ginger and basil margarita.
All right.
Yeah, not bad.
Gives you hairs on your head. Nice. I love this wig. That's it. I'm wearing it all the time.
Oh god.
So it's the next morning and the sun has come out, but you still can't see the volcano, but it's meant to be over there somewhere. But look at this lush Balinese countryside. Right, I think I might go down into the paddy field and have a look. So you can see where they've all been recently cut. All the rice, and there are the other ones, but there's ours, there's our villa. That is a beautiful view. I keep on saying it, but it is an absolutely amazing view. So come right down to the edge of the paddy field. There's our villa there, there's the one next door. And you can see the uncut rice down there, waiting, and there's actually a guy down there doing some work. But I think it's time to head back up to the villa. So we've had breakfast. It was actually quite nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
But now we're going to head back to the airport. So goodbye from
VeluVana Bali.
Okay, see you next time.